Hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
You are selected for a group discussion round, and your group discussion topic is adventures. Anybody can start. Your time starts now.
According to me, adventures is an unusual thing which thing has some excitement and some danger. Because by adventures we can lose our life, and also we can get confidence by this adventure. So that thing we should keep our mind. That's all.
Accordingly, my opinion, adventurous is there some adventurous thing, there is some risky work, and there is that we can do with imagination. If there is some imagination power, imagination things, it's called adventurous thing. That's all.
According to me, we should watch adventure movie because this movie we know what is the adventure. Sometime adventure movie is harmful for children. So you advise to your children also. It is adventure movie. Don't do like this. That's all.
According to me, adventure is in the bracket risk. It means that for enjoying, we do the adventure. So that is my definition.
According to me, adventure things is very important because some adventure things we can motivate it, and also it may be risks.
According to me, actually, adventurous means is the unexpected things. It's required the passionate. It's our confidence. Actually, if you say the adventurous is one of the these things comes in every our life, each and every step of our life. Because when you suffer this our life from the childhood to age, every moment we have to face the adventurous things. So if you do the adventurous things, so your excitement sometimes is increases, your motivational, your depression powers goes down, your motivational powers is increases, and our happiness our sometimes is increases. But the adventures you have to do the in some proper planning, our what considering the safety. In adventures, the safety is the most important part because the life is one times. So if you play with your adventurous, so you have to take the you have to take the care in proper way. So life is excitement things, your advance, your motivational power, and you have to do in each our life. That's all.
Adventure is the one type of entertainment for your life. If you do anything in your life, it is the adventure for it.
According to my definition, if you feel fear before you will do that, it's called adventure. My friend says the safety is more important because safety is adventures have their every adventure have two sides of like the coin. You got good point and bad point. Then you need to save on that. How will you get safe before you do that? That's all.
Everybody is doing adventure in their life because life is the one of the adventure, because we don't know what will happen in next second with us. We will die or we will live, we don't know, and which condition will come in front of us. So because of that, life is the one of the adventure. That's all.
Some people want to do themselves, improve to themselves. Okay, what is the adventure? That time they do adventure to think they improve themselves by adventure doing. Like this, we want to improve ourselves. That time we go there and climb to hell. That time we improve ourselves. It is adventure. That time it is memorable for my life.
Life is adventurous. So every day we struggle with some adventurous thing. We regular day when we stuck in the traffic, we try to come out from the traffic. So we do some adventures in life. We drive bike like a sliding and rough bike, and that type of we do adventures in day-to-day life.
yes, life is one type of adventure. In every day we take a risk. Like in the bus, we hanging in the bus is a one type of adventure, and we crossing the road type of adventure. So we call that things also as adventure.
Every field having adventure things like learning English and watching horror films and research. In a research field also adventure things like Thomas Edison, while Thomas Edison research the project, that time the sport happened in a train. That's also adventure things.
I will say adventurous means excitement is some motivational power, and I will say nobody have a adventurous. Some specific people or specific human men have a adventurous guts. It's required for some special characters or some passionate is required. That's why I will say only in 2 sentences. You do excitement your life with safety.
Life is a risk and risk is adventure. You can't say no to the to adventure.
Tell the summary of the adventure.
Okay. According to me, my conclusion about the adventures is what happened. We have both options. We can be done in our life, and we can be fresh in our life. Suppose if you want to be fresh and if you want to keep good persons and good hearts with you and good creations and good discourse with you, that time you should do some adventures in life, but we should take proper safety about it. That's how. Thank you.
When we do something new in adventurous way, after that we did that, after that we feel proud. We can say we did with the help of some adventurous thing. So when we do new thing in adventurous way, we get unexpected confidence. We got lot of imagination power also.
I want to say to all, don't do any adventure without any goals. That's all.
I want to suggest some point. I want to make a conclusion on that. Every adventure is good for every person. Every people want to do adventurous thing, but before you do that, you will take a training. You will take a suggestion from a better person. How we get I hope difficult thing. What will I get a difficult thing? So take a suggestion from a guided person. That's
According to me, while doing anything, you have to first make pre-plan and you have to care of your life.
Adventurous idea, every person's adventurous idea are different. Here the question is that your parents' adventurous idea and your idea are similar. So this is not true, or this is not same. These are different because every person's are single idea, and so that's why adventurous things are different for every person.
I will conclude it on the adventurous is that is the encourage the motivational excitement, motivational power, but you have to do with the proper plan, with training, with your concerned peoples. That will be increase your useful our life. That will be increase our happiness in our future or even in life.
Adventure is the game of risk, hard work, patience and imagination.
That's great. Keep it up, guys. Take care and wish you all the best for the next round. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.